In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable audio scrubbing in DaVinci Resolve. Audio scrubbing is the feature that lets you hear tiny snippets of sound as you move the playhead around your timeline. It's incredibly useful when you need to find the exact frame where a word starts, line up a cut to a beat, or make precise trims without constant full playback. When it's on, you'll hear short, stuttered previews of your audio as you drag. When it's off, the timeline stays silent while you scrub, which can be calmer and sometimes smoother on busy projects. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Give it a moment to load your project or create a new one. Make sure you have a timeline with at least one audio clip so you can immediately hear the difference when you toggle the setting. Next, switch to a page where audio scrubbing is supported for timeline work, either the edit page or the Fairlight page. You'll find these along the bottom of the interface as page icons. The edit page is great for general video editing and quick dialogue alignment, while Fairlight is ideal if you're focusing on audio mixing and detailed sound work. The fastest way to control audio scrubbing is with a single keyboard shortcut. Press Shift plus S to toggle the feature on or off instantly. Think of it like a light switch. Press once to turn scrubbing on, press again to turn it off. To confirm it's working, drag the playhead slowly over an audio waveform. If scrubbing is enabled, you'll hear brief audio as you move. If it's disabled, it will remain silent until you press play. This shortcut is perfect when you need to switch modes on the fly during editing. If you prefer using menus, you can toggle the same setting from the top bar. Click Timeline in the main menu at the top of the screen, then choose Audio Scrubbing. A checkmark indicates it's enabled. Selecting it again will deselect and disable scrubbing. This method is helpful if you want a visual confirmation of the current state. A few quick tips while you work. Enable scrubbing when you're searching for specific words, breaths, or sound cues, or when aligning S cuts and J cuts with dialogue. Disable it if the stuttered playback distracts you, if you're working in a quiet environment, or if your system feels sluggish while navigating dense timelines. You can toggle as often as you like to match the task at hand. That's it. Open Resolve, jump into Edit or Fairlight, and use Shift plus S or the Timeline menu to enable or disable audio scrubbing whenever you need precision or peace and quiet. Happy editing.